Here is the Insta360 GO 3S. This is the magnet pendant that came with the purchase. So all you need to do is to detach the camera from the base and then securely connect the GO 3S to the magnet pendant. It's gonna go through your clothing to keep the camera steady while shooting and prevent it slipping off during use. So if you see this, there's no shakes at all. So it's just right now I have it on my chest area, and the movement that you see, it's just my movement. The camera is steady, and it does take very good videos. It captures what's needed. Like this one is out at the beach, so it's gonna get you can do a wide angle if you want. And here's the look in the chest area, so you can just move that vertical or horizontal. And with the Insta GO 3S, it is waterproof. It connects to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The connector is USB-C, and it has electronic viewfinder. So here's one of the videos that I took so far at the beach. The settings, you have to set it up before you start using it. You can set it up for pictures, for time lapse, and just for regular or standard video recording like this. It has extended battery life, so it's supposed to record up to 140 minutes, which I would agree. I've had long recordings on this. It's just gonna be the heat, especially if you're in an area where it's hot out, because within 5 minutes of the GO 3S out at the heat, it's gonna stop recording because it needs to cool down. It only comes with one battery, so you'd have to purchase extra if you want, and you'd have to be aware of the temperature. So you have to plan accordingly. Like for example, if you're doing this, if you want to turn it on when you feel like you want to capture a great moment, especially let's say in the water, you'd have to give it 5 minutes good.